How to remove watermark from a video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the video editing app. I am using CapCut here. Then after simply click on New Project option and choose the video from which you want to remove the watermark. Once the video has been selected, click on Add. And now the first method is to simply click on your video and manage the aspect ratio. Now as you can see, the watermark appears outside the video, so once you export it, you can simply crop it. The next method is to create the overlay of the part of the video from which you want to remove the watermark. Simply click on the video part and click on overlay from the menu. Scroll it down and bring it at the bottom of the original video. Click on the video at the top and go to Effects. Go to Body Effect and at the top in the search box simply search Blur, or you can write the filter name Blurry Focus. Simply choose the filter and apply it throughout the video. Once done, you will see the option. After that, click on your original video again and scroll right. You will see the option of Mask. Simply click on it and choose the option of Rectangle. Once you click on it, simply place the rectangle box upon your watermark and that will be blurred. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.